final impression on the evasive spec Honda S2000 single exit exhaust. First, let's talk about the build quality. The build quality on this is top notch. It looks like Michelangelo himself welded this exhaust up. It's beautiful. It actually has a unique design on it where they welded on an external canister by the muffler to reduce drone. Let's talk about the sound. So honestly, this exhaust is not much louder than the Tanabe Medallion Touring exhaust, which is known for its more OEM like volume and drone. So the drone on this exhaust, honestly below 6,000 RPMs, you get a little bit of drone, which most aftermarket exhausts you will get. It's very, very minimal. It's very comparable to the Tanabe Medallion exhaust. Now over 6,000 RPMs is where this exhaust really screams and gets really loud, more than the Tanabe or the OEM. So I would say this exhaust has very minimal drone. Now, so for the next part, the weight savings. So most people go to a single exhaust not necessarily for the design or the looks, but it's more for the weight savings that you get. This exhaust weighs in at 27 pounds versus the OEM unit, which is a dual exhaust, which is around 50 pounds. While 23 pounds is not a whole lot by itself, most people, if you go to those measures to decrease weight, let's say you get rid of the soft top and the soft top motor, it all adds up over time. So my opinion on this exhaust, it's probably one of the best single exhausts that you can get for its price. So I would highly recommend it, and I hope you guys enjoyed this review. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe if you like the channel, and comment, and we'll see you in the next one. Okay, guys?